Chapter A, Section 1, Solve Absolute Value Equations. We have an absolute value equation, and we're going to solve for x. Now, normally when we solve for x, we try to get x alone on one side of the equal sign. We cannot do that here because the x is contained within the absolute value symbol. So what we're going to do for the first step is get the actual symbol alone on one side of the equal sign. To do that, we're going to go ahead and add 1 to both sides of the equal sign. And we're going to get the absolute value symbol now alone. Our second step is going to be remove the absolute value symbol and create two equations. You're going to set the inside expression to a positive number and also to a negative number. Now, why are we going to do that? We know that this whole x minus 4 inside the symbol has to equal a 3 or a negative 3. So therefore, we're going to remove the symbol, and we're going to go ahead and set x minus 4 to be 3 and x minus 4 to be negative 3. And now we're just going to go ahead and solve two simple equations. Solving the first equation, we're going to get x equals 7. Solving the second equation, we're going to get x equals 1. Now, these are two possible solutions. In order to know if they're definite solutions, we have to go ahead and put the 7 back in and make sure that it is workable in this equation. And the same thing with the x equals 1. So we're going to go ahead and do a check for x equals 7. And we take the 7 and we're going to substitute it for x in the original equation. Now, you must use the original equation because it's very possible that you made a mistake down here. Always go back to your original equation when you check, not only for this problem, but for any problem that you do. So we're going to substitute the 7 for the x, and we're going to come down, and we're going to get 2 equals 2 as an answer. Now, that's a true statement. And a true statement means that x will equal 7 and satisfy this equation. Now we're going to go over and do the same check with x equals 1. Original equation, substitute the 1 for x, and we're going to get the statement 2 equals 2, and that is a true statement. So also as a solution, x will equal 1. This is the end of this video.